like to let you the best a man can get. You a triple threat, sexy, smart and good at bed. Yeah, you're nothing like my ex. Hell no. And I try and move it slow, 'cause I don't wanna come on too strong. But you know, even though it ain't been that long, girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, you make it hard to keep my cool, baby, cool, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, baby, for the rest of your life. Girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, I'm out here acting like a fool for you, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, for the rest of your life. If you need to cool out for a minute, I'm your biggest fan. Girl, I know you're independent, you don't need a man. I'm just trying to take you places that you've never been. On a flight, mile high, running to Japan. And try and move it slow, 'cause I don't wanna come on too strong. But you know, even though it ain't been that long, girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, you make it hard to keep my cool, baby, cool, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, baby, for the rest of your life. Girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, I'm out here acting like a fool for you, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, for the rest of your life. I'm trying to meet your daddy, I wanna meet your mama. I don't know what it is, must be something in the water. Yeah, I'm trying to meet your daddy, I wanna meet your mama. I don't know what it is, must be something in the water. Girl, you got me like, you make it hard to keep my cool, cool. Already wondering what you do, baby, for the rest of your life. Girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, I'm out here acting like a fool for you, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, for the rest of your life. Yeah, I'm trying to meet your daddy, I wanna meet your mama. I don't know what it is, must be something in the water. Girl, you got me like.
Let's learn for the rest of your life. It's choreographed by Trevor Thornton. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line hits with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn for the rest of your life. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a V step with a hook. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Step your right foot back center, and then you're going to hook your left foot over your right shin, making a figure 4 with your left knee. We're now going to triple forward with our left, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. Step forward with your right foot, make a half turn over your left shoulder, keeping your weight on your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your V step with a hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step back with our left foot. You're going to touch your right toe slightly forward. Step back with your right foot, touch your left toe slightly forward. We're now going to do a quarter turning coaster step. So you're going to step your left foot back, step your right next to your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you cross your left over your right to face 3 o'clock and hold. We're now going to quickly step our right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, stepping back with your left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, hold 7 and 8. Now, you can add whatever style you want. I kind of like to roll into these step touches. It fits the music, it has a little bit extra. It's not on the step sheet, but it is a little bit fun extra that you could add in while you're dancing. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, hitching your left knee up and around to face 9 o'clock. When you do this, you want to make sure that that knee is coming up and over, and you're slightly over rotating so that your body's more angled to the right. Because we're going to go into a weave with a point. So you're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left and point your left toe to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our fall cross. You're going to do your quarter hitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to slightly lean forward and down, and you're going to clap your hands twice. You're now going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to clap your hands up once. From here, we're going to do a full turn. So you're going to start by making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. And then you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock and brush your right foot forward, ready to go into the next wall. Now, if you're somebody that does not like to turn, you can replace that with a walk forward. So you would do your step, double clap, half clap, and you would walk, 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 brush. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You just pointed out to the side. We're going to step forward with our left and clap. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your V step with a hook. So it's out, out, back, hook, triple, forward, step, half, sit, back touch, quarter coaster, cross, hold, ball, cross, quarter hitch, weave with a point, cross, point, step down, double clap, half clap, full turn with a brush. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your V step with a hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance. Now the dance ends facing 12 o'clock. You'll come out of your full turn and you'll do your brush. And then I just step to the side so that I end in a comfortable position. But you can step forward if you would like, but I like to step to the side and kind of push my hip out. But that choice is yours. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. We're going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your V step with a hook. So it's out, out, back, hook, triple, forward, step, half turn, back touch, coaster, quarter turn, cross, hold, fall, cross, quarter hitch, weave with a point, cross, point, step, double clap, half clap, full turn with a brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step with a hook, triple forward, step, half turn, back touch, quarter coaster, cross, hold, fall, cross, quarter hitch, weave with a point, cross, point, step, double clap, half clap, full turn with a brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, hold 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn for the rest of your life. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Girl, you like to live. You're the best a man can get. You a triple threat, sexy, smart and good at bed. And you're nothing like my ex. Hell no. And I try moving slow, 'cause I don't wanna come on too strong. But you know it ain't been that long. Girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, you make it hard to keep my cool, baby, cool, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, baby, for the rest of your life. Girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, I'm out here acting like a fool for you, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, for the rest of your life. If you need to cool out for a minute, I'm your biggest fan. Girl, I know you independent, you don't need a man. I'm just trying to take you places that you've never been. On a flight, mile high, running to Japan. I try moving slow, 'cause I don't wanna come on too strong. But you know, even though it ain't been that long. Girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, you make it hard to keep my cool, baby, cool, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, baby, for the rest of your life. Girl, you got me like, ooh, baby, I'm out here acting like a fool for you, baby. Already wondering what you're doing, for the rest of your life. I'm tryna meet your daddy, I wanna meet your mama. I don't know what it is, must be something in the water. Yeah, I'm tryna meet your daddy, I wanna meet your mama. I don't know what it is, must be something in the water. Girl, you got me like, you make it hard to keep my cool, cool. Already wondering what you do, baby, for the rest of your life. Girl, you got me